What if I told you there's a type of crypto that millions of people use every single day? And most of them don't even realize it's crypto at all. No wild price swings. No sleepless nights watching charts. Just stable. That's literally the whole point. And by the end of this video, you're going to understand exactly how it works and why governments on both sides of the Atlantic just spent the last year racing to control it. So let's start with the question everyone's afraid to ask out loud. What actually is a stablecoin? A stablecoin is a digital currency built to do one thing: hold its value steady, usually pegged one-to-one with a real currency like the US dollar or the euro. So while Bitcoin might swing 10% in a single day, a stablecoin is designed to stay, boringly, reliably, the same. One coin equals $1. Always. But here's the part that actually matters. How do they stay stable? Because that answer determines whether your money is actually safe. There are three main types. Fiat collateralized stablecoins are backed by real dollars sitting in a bank account, one-to-one. Crypto collateralized ones are backed by other crypto, with extra collateral as a buffer. And algorithmic stablecoins use code and math instead of real assets to hold the peg. And that third one? That's the one that should make you pay attention. Because when an algorithmic stablecoin breaks its peg, panic doesn't move at human speed. It moves at blockchain speed, instantly, across the entire world. Now here's where this gets genuinely historic. In the United States, a 2025 law defined stablecoins issued by approved companies as actual payment instruments, not securities, not commodities. That single legal classification did something huge. It opened the door for banks and major financial institutions to finally step in. And in Europe. If this helped something click for you, drop a comment with the one stablecoin you've heard of most. Save this video before you forget these laws. Share it with someone who still thinks all crypto is the same. Subscribe right now so you don't miss what's coming next. And follow, because next time, I'm breaking down exactly which stablecoin is the safest one to actually hold in 2026.